Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. This is again your girl, Jacqueline Price, coming to you with another quick video. How I earned $5,300 from my Facebook page. I want to show you how I did it. I've worked from home full time since 2018, and it's been an exciting journey. I'm so grateful to be able to work from home, and I'm grateful to be able to share this particular opportunity and this particular platform with you so that you can take advantage of this same opportunity, um, so that you can be able to plug in and get the same information that I was able to come across. I came across an amazing platform that's going to help you be able to earn money from home right from your very own Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page. Hopefully you can see. Let me move this over. This is my Facebook page. And so what we do is we teach you how to brand yourself. We teach you, most of the times people, they join opportunities and, your sponsor tells you, make a list of people and, bug your friends, bug your family, show them what you're doing. That doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work, and this is not what we do. This is not that. What we do is we show you how to use your Facebook page, how to brand yourself. Here you see Jacqueline Price official page, mentor, online marketer, entrepreneur. That let when people come to my page, they know that I'm about business. You won't find lots of funny memes and fights and all that kind of nonsense on my page. You're gonna find inspiration. We teach you to encourage people, show inspiration. All of those things is what we teach you how to do. This program teaches you how to do it. And so, um, let's see. So just go down through here. I posted today. Today's 11/11/2020. How about that? November the 11th, 2020. And so my post just said, a truly strong person does not need the approval of others any more than a lion needs the approval of sheep. So we don't have to have people's approval to be great. You're already great. I just want you to tap into it. And so I want to show you this particular program. It's Successful Solution Method. Let's see if I can get into my back office. Successful Solution Method. And I want to show you, let me find it. Okay, here it is. I'm going to show you the earnings that are showing right now. My total earnings so far, um, $5,375. And it's an amazing platform. What happens, we have an amazing Facebook group. See if it's let me to, okay, log in. Oh, so here it's showing 4,900, and I just got paid. It hasn't shown up yet here, but another $475. So I think that's a total, I think I did the math right, a total of $5,375 in these short few months. And so it's just it's absolutely an amazing platform. And I just wanted to show you how you too can use this platform and earn money from home. And people always want to know how much you made, and people want to know what are the tasks. And so what it is, it's a task-based platform, and it's so simple. If you can log into Facebook, excuse me, guys. If you can log into Facebook, if you can show up on a Zoom training, if you can show up on a webinar, guys, you can do this. We show you exactly what to do. Everything is laid out 1, 2, 3, ABC. There will be no gray areas. You'll know exactly what it takes for you to earn. You complete the task and you get paid. It's just that simple. It's a task-based platform. And I wanted to make sure that all of my followers on YouTube wherever you see this video, if you see it on Facebook or whatever, that you know about this amazing platform. And as I said, today is November the 11th, 2020, and we're coming up on Thanksgiving, we're coming up on the holidays. It's time, guys, to jump in this amazing program and earn you some money, get some money into your bank account during all of this craziness that's going on in the world, all this pandemic and all this kind of stuff. So this particular platform can absolutely help you. I've earned $5,375 with this program. You don't have to recruit. You don't have to chase your family. You don't have to chase your friends. All you have to do is follow the training that's in the back office. Follow the training and you will get paid. It's just that simple. I just wanted to share this with you, so that you would have something to look forward to when you join me in this program. If you want to join me, you're going to go to my site, www.profitwithjackie.com. www.profitwithjackie.com. That link's going to be below. My phone number is going to be below if you need to text me. There's going to be a link there that you'll need to add new people to your Facebook page. It's all going to be laid out so that you'll be able to get the leads, and you'll be able to get more eyeballs on your page. It will show you how to make your page so beautiful that people will be like, ah, what are you doing? What are you doing? And it's attraction marketing. They will come to you. You don't have to chase people. You don't have to chase family. You don't have to chase friends. The people will come to you. All you have to do is get started with this program. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to like and comment on my video. I appreciate all of you guys so much. This has been Jackie Evans and Jackie Price, excuse me, name change. Sorry, blooper. See, that's one thing about video marketing. You know, we're human. We're going to make mistakes. We're going to say things, but it's okay. We just keep going. We keep going. So, as I was saying, I am Jacqueline Price, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.